To check your transaction history on Mashreq Bank Egypt, you can follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you navigate the process efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Mashreq Bank website or open the mobile banking app. Enter your username and password to log into your account securely. Step 2. Navigate to Account Overview. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed to breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select the account. Choose a specific account for which you want to view the transaction history. This could be a savings account, checking account, or any other account type you hold. Step 4. Access transaction history. Look for an option labeled Transaction History or Recent Transactions. Click on this option to view a detailed list of all your transactions. Step 5. Filter and download. If needed, use any available filters to narrow down your search by date or transaction type. You may also have the option to download your transaction history for your records. In conclusion, following these steps will allow you to easily check your transaction history with Mashreq Bank Egypt. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.